Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Philips Norelco Shaver 4100, model AT8041. There is a model upgrade from 4100 that offers a floating head assembly, or something similar. This was his first circular type razor, and he finds it to be weaker, not allowing as close a shave as his old one. If your beard hair is of the thinner variety, this won't even make a dent. Maybe you can't shave with it while it's plugged in, but there's really no need to. Pop the top, and run the faucet over it to clean the head. It's a snap. It is slower than most, which does lead to occasional pulled hairs instead of cut hairs. Never changed cutting heads in old model, and thought it was time for a new one. This one does not seem to have much power behind it, and it seems to take over twice as long to get a decent shave. Major razor burn, probably due to amount of passing and pressure needed to actually cut the hairs. Also, it is easy to clean since you simply flip open the head and rinse it. If this is your first, don't get discouraged by the results you'll get at first. He does it dry every time, even though you can do it wet also, which is great, and doesn't hit skin irritation. And it cost about 20 less, was the same price as most non-wet rotary shavers. Takes a little longer, but not much considering how many passes this thing takes, and is totally worth it. It cuts close and smooth, and it carries a charge for a very long time. Norelco, get it together. Sending and resending these shavers back is getting old pretty quick. Compared to Panasonic, when you open the top to clear out her hair, it has more room to store the hair, so you're not constantly opening the top. Pretty lame tactic to sell new razors that are no better than the much older models. The electric razor has helped clean up the scruff in the morning, and be on with his day. If you shave totally by eye, and never touch your face to see if you missed any whiskers, this shaver would be wonderful. Maybe they need to study how thin the foils are on other modern shavers, and then redesign the Norelco. The Norelco, being a rotary razor, has less vibration than the Braun, and does not scrape across the face like a bladed razor. No stand, but charges quickly. One less thing on the bathroom counter, cord fits easily in drawer. The head falls off when tapping the razor to discard cuttings, and the advertised life of the cutter's eye, and being able to clean it out by opening the head and running the whole unit underwater is great. Do you remember when your son or daughter was born? The way they skin felt? Then this is how your face is going to feel with this item. It stays charged for a long time, multiple shaves, works perfectly, and it's easy to clean. The only difference was that the older one had an additional swivel action for the head. This one goes for a couple of weeks without a charge. It is new, and it takes only about an hour to charge. They have always been a very good razor, and have never had any issues with quality, though it only works on battery, and does not permit you to power it on when it is plugged in. Seems to be in good working order, but it appears to be a factory refurbished product since it didn't come in original packaging. It might be a bit louder than the old model, but not enough to bother me. It often leaves wild whiskers uncut, and untamed hoary hairs, haha. Also, would prefer a closer shave. Rinsing is convenient. Whiskers don't appear to adhere to the plastic bed, but washes off like Teflon. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.